Howdy y'all.
Growing organic raspberries. Who doesn't love raspberries? Full of nutrition, this edible fruit is popular in the fresh fruit market and is a traditional midsummer fruit. This video will look at how to grow them organically. So, let's dive in. What are raspberries? Raspberries are one of the most popular berries in the world. They come in many different colours and flavours, making them a fun and delicious fruit to eat. But if you want to grow organic raspberries, then it's important you know what you're doing. How do I plant my raspberry plants? First of all, you need to make sure that the soil is well drained and has a pH level between 6, slightly acidic, or 7.5, neutral. If your garden doesn't meet these requirements, then there are some ways for improving this. Adding some organic matter, such as compost made up of old leaves, straw or grass clippings, adding lime to the soil if it's too acidic, and gypsum for clay soils. To plant your raspberry plants, first prepare the beds with 1 to 2 inches of organic compost or manure. If you are planting in a container, be sure that the crowns, the pointy end, can sit at least 1 inch above ground level when it is planted so they have adequate room for roots and water access. Fertilizing and pruning. Raspberry bushes produce 2 harvests a year. In early spring, it is best to remove the old canes and branches so that you have only strong branches for future harvests. As autumn marches on, give your tree a little tune-up by pruning the canes that are 4 to 5 feet tall to have the weight of these heavy load-bearing limbs instead of just growing from their roots or lower stems. Weeds are pesky plants that can steal nutrients and water from your raspberries. It's best to manually pull weeds out of the ground. What is the best fertilizer for growing organic raspberries? It is imperative that you focus on organic fertilizers such as manure, compost, and leaf mold. These will provide the right balance of nutrients for your plants to grow strong. Organic raspberries, despite the work, are a much tastier and healthier alternative to the store-bought options. So, that just about wraps things up for the video today. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe and leave any comments below, and I'll see you later.